So, you're doing a great job.
Thank you, Bob.
We're at the Gila Hot Springs. Big surprise, right? But it's raining. It's got a little monsoon action going on. But it's almost perfect. I mean, yeah, it's raining, but other than that, it's nice and cool. And we're feeling good for middle of September. What's going on here?
Spam and egg burritos, Bob.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
There was enough sun this morning. You know, it's like 1 o'clock now. And there was enough sun this morning to get the solar stuff all charged up, which I was a little worried about because we didn't have a whole lot of sun yesterday. But it works. But on top of that, I'm sick, man. I'm sick. Sore throat. Kind of got that last night.
And who got you sick?
My mom. That's okay, Mom. That's okay. That happens. All right. It's not hugely bad. I just got a runny nose and a sore throat.
Not
You broke it. You broke the egg. You broke another one. Okay, so we're at the Gila Hot Springs in New Mexico, a little bit north of Silver City. We've made videos about this place before, so we're not going to dwell on, the whole place. It's just awesome, and we like coming here, and it's close enough to where we live that it's only like a 5-hour drive. So it's good. And the Gila River, this is the West Fork of the Gila River behind us. So we got a plan. So what we want to do is make a Hormel chili copycat and put it in some homemade bread bowls. What do you think of that? So that means that I'm gonna have to get some dough going. I'm gonna have to get some dough to rise up and do its thing, and Keri's gonna have to, do the copycat recipe, and hopefully it's gonna be money. But right now, I've gotta eat my burrito with Spam and eggs, because that's how we roll, because it's awesome. Awesome! Oh, it's a fold your own, huh? A fold your own?
Yeah, fold your own.
Okay.
Get in there, you can do it.
Why are you mad at me?
I'm not mad. I'm hungry.
The Spam and eggs burrito was money. That was good. So we're gonna work on the bread. I gotta make some bread. So I'm kind of bummed out. I forgot my sourdough starter. So I was gonna spend all kinds of time talking smack about sourdough and how cool it is and blah blah blah. So I went and bought some yeast at the store along the interstate, and that's what we're using. But it's still gonna be awesome. So I gotta take this stuff out. I gotta knead it a little bit, and then I gotta let it rest, and then I think that's it. Really, honestly, I haven't made bread with yeast in a long time. Whatever, it's gonna work. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be yummy. The flour is it's a bread flour and like a whole wheat flour. So it's about half and half. The whole wheat flour from Barrio Breads in Tucson. If you'd never had that stuff, they make bread that you can go buy. But they also make flour and different types of flour that are all grown in southern Arizona. It's pretty cool. I got this project I'm working on for the shell on the truck. I'm gonna add a side, not a window, but like a hatch that you can open up, and also throw an air conditioner on in the middle of summer. And so I had to buy some aluminum sheet, and this is left over from that. So it makes an awesome, work surface. So that's what I'm using. I was kind of worried that the yeast, wouldn't do its thing. I don't have like a thermometer to tell if I'm in the right ballpark as far as temperature goes and all that. But That stuff, I've never seen yeast explode that quick. I'm not gonna knead it too much. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? Ain't gonna knead it too much. Just for a couple minutes. This stuff is already warm. It's crazy. It's crazy making like yeasty bread. It's the Yeasty Boys. Yeah. Dum, dum. Making yeast bread when you usually make, you know, sourdough. Sourdough takes a long time. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to mention. Okay, so it was the flour that I was telling you about, plus the salt. I had mixed all that stuff at home, so I didn't have to measure anything out. But here we go. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this thing's doing. See how things are going over here. Oh, Lordy. Okay. Ready to rock. I took that whole thing, I split it, and then I split one side again. So this loaf right here is half, and then these two are, I guess, quarters. This half is gonna be way too big. I mean, you're not gonna use that as your bread bowl. That'd be a waste because it's gonna be yummy. So that'll be a little loaf, and then these two guys will be the bread bowls. Here we go. All right, we'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna burn it. Okay, been about 20 minutes, no, 25 minutes. 25 minutes, let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, yeah. All right. I did not think this through all the way. Alright, Keri. Hey, son.
What?
Do we have tongs?
Yeah. You need some tongs?
Yeah, need something. I didn't even think about how to get that thing out of there. Okay. I got it out. I couldn't shoot video of it though because it was kind of an emergency. But I got it out. Here we go. Woo. So that was the big one that we just made. So I just threw one of the smaller ones in there already. And that one, that's the one that's remaining. So we're getting there. So the second one is done. Second one is done. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And now we gotta go get the third one. Oh, it's a little crispy on the bottom. That's okay because just using it as a bowl. So maybe the bottom's a little, black. That's okay. The rest of it's awesome. So now we turn our attention to Keri. Who's...
Not yet, you don't.
She says, not yet.
What did I tell you?
She's making the Hormel chili. So that's what's going in these. How's it going?
It's going well, thank you.
Okay. What do you got in there? What's in Hormel chili?
Well, these are the spices. This is the no bean chili.
No beans.
So it's beef, So far, beef, onions, flour, water, bone broth, and then I'm about to put the spice mix in. Oh, and there's Worcestershire too. So we'll see. We're gonna see if it tastes anything like Hormel. Because I always like the flavor of Hormel. This has got a lot of junk in it, you know. So we don't want to eat all that.
Totally.
So we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully this is gonna thicken up for me. I put the flour in. I might be eating Hormel soup.
It'll be fine.
It'll be great.
It's because we're camping. You know? This ain't like no state dinner at the White House.
It is exactly like that. What are you talking about?
All right.
Willis?
We're ready. We're ready to make some bowls and put some chili in it. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, that's so work. Might be better if we use the pocket knife. All right, we can fine tune that. Okay, pocket knife. Okay. Uno. Dos. Dos. Okay. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. Give me that. Go ahead, dish out. Dish out some stuff.
So it's not as thick as I thought. So we'll see.
It'll thicken up.
Smells good.
Smells awesome.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Alrighty.
All right. Good job, y'all.
Thank you. You too.
All right. What's the verdict?
It's good. It's quite good. So the chili, I used the amount of flour they said. It didn't thicken up as much as I thought it would, or it should. The flavor's good. It's like kind of maybe reminiscent of Hormel chili, but it's not like, oh, this is spot on. So it's decent. It's good. The bread, perfect. So yeah, I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. What about you, Bob?
Awesome. Me too. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, the chili bowls were awesome. And now we're, before we hit the road, we're gonna go check out what supposedly is a bakery. So up the road at this RV park, this lady started a bakery. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna see what kind of animals are out.
Yeah.
If we see any sheepies, goats, horses, doggies, whatever.
We're gonna find them. They're so hungry. Oh, they're very warm. They're like falling apart warm. Look how warm that is. It's going in Bob's mouth right now.
Oh. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Yep.
See, that's how warm it is. Good?
Yeah. Oh, he's yummy. Very yummy.
Oh, goats over here, Bob.
I'm a goat. Goat alert. Hi, guys. Hey, what are you eating on there? You got pepper or tomato? Hey, little dude. Hey.
Hi, buddy.
you are. Meow. How are you?
Hi, buddy. What did you do?
I didn't do anything. Oh, you know what? Did he touch this?
Oh. You okay?
I think the fence is electrified and he touched it.
Yeah, it is. There's a sign down here. Well, you're pretty. Yeah. Sorry about that.
Route roll.